It all begins deep within the earth, where color is born. Raw pigments travel from mine to refinement. Every ingredient moves toward a single destination. Inside these walls, precision transforms raw elements into
where transformation begins at industrial scale.
materials are secured for their journey to production. Before precision begins, raw color must be broken down. Essential oils bring smoothness and shine.
Waxes form the structural backbone of every lipstick.
From raw materials to refined beauty, step 1 is complete.
Each batch is tracked, verified, and prepared.
Solid structure prepares to become fluid.
Purity ensures consistency in every application. Now, the elements stand ready to combine.
Only the finest particles make it forward. The transformation process begins here. Raw elements merge into a unified composition. Precision blending ensures flawless consistency. Microscopic refinement defines the final texture.
Every shade must match with absolute precision. Air is removed to ensure a perfect finish.
Temperature control preserves stability and quality.
The perfected blend is held in readiness.
Every batch is verified before advancing. Automation ensures perfect timing and balance.
Now, form begins to take shape. Automation takes control as shaping begins. Precision dosing ensures uniformity in every unit.
Cooling transforms liquid into solid form. Structure forms under controlled conditions. Precision handling protects delicate structure.
Delicate handling preserves flawless structure.
A final touch creates signature smoothness. Functionality is verified in every piece.
Form meets function as assembly begins.
Every unit carries its production identity.
Every component locks into position with exact precision.
Every detail is refined to perfection.
Only flawless pieces move ahead.
Identity is stamped onto every product. Protection meets design in a single motion. Color precision is measured to scientific exactness.
Even microscopic imperfections are not allowed.
Before release, every product faces strict evaluation. Order prepares them for their final stage.
The final transformation begins, presentation.
Every gram is measured without compromise.
The final stage begins where products become ready for the world. From testing to transformation, production is complete. Every shipment is organized with intelligent precision. Protection locks in quality for global distribution. Order transforms into scale as production reaches completion. Finished products await their journey to global markets. Each shipment carries the result of meticulous craftsmanship. From raw earth to global beauty, the cycle is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce lipstick from start to finish.